my channel. It's Jean again. So for today's video, I'm going to unbox my... Wow, gumawa ng sariling drum roll. My January Boxycharm. So ayan siya. So kung hindi nyo pa alam kung ano yung Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty box subscription which you only pay $21. And you will get 4 to 5 full-size product with a retail value over 100. And then, kung qualified ka sa Boxycharm nila, I'm not sure kung pareho lang ba every month yung extra na bayad. But last month, they charged me like $28. So, I'm not sure kung pareho lang ba every 3 months na $28 yung extra. But anyway, kung hindi nyo pa nakita yung video na yun, I will leave a card up here. Guys, bago ko simulan yung pag-unboxing, meron akong sasabihin. Charot, alam mo kung ano, serious na serious. Anyway guys, I think this will be my last Boxycharm video for now. As in, for now. For now. Hindi as in, hindi na talaga. Kasi, we will be going overseas and we will be gone like almost 2 months. Hindi ko yun ma-film yung February Boxycharm, and then of course yung March, which is another Boxycharm, hindi ko rin siya ma-film. So I think if i-film ko na lang sila lahat around April. I'm so sorry for my background. I know walang connection to sa sinasabi ko, but ito muna yung ating background guys, kasi there's a lot going on in this room. Charot, kung nandun kayo sa live ko, alam nyo na kung anong nangyayari sa room na to. Let's proceed. Ito na yung box, and then when you open the box, so yung theme nila this month is Boxy and Chill. Ito yung theme this month, and very cute, as in cute. Gusto ko yung kulay, and then sa likod is yung information sa mga products na na-receive natin. Last month guys, I think it was last month, I'm not sure. So, nag-subscribe si Super RP sa Boxycharm, and then ginamit niya yung code ko. So, meron siyang natanggap na free 1 item, and then meron din ako na matanggap. So, hindi siya dumating last month, pero dumating siya this month. So, sinama nila sa box na to, and so, hindi talaga to siya counted sa box ngayon. Ito lang yung nakuha namin na free, or nakuha naming dalawa ni Super RP na free. Ililive ko yung link niya down below para ma-check nyo rin yung Boxycharm video niya. Anyway, meron na ako nito. Yung gagawin natin nito guys, good news, good news. Char, good news. Ikikip ko to, and I think isasama ko to siya sa future giveaway ko. Yay! O, diba, Char? Gumawa ng sariling sound effects. Meron tayong future giveaway. Hindi ko alam kung kailan yan, but future nga. So, kung gusto nyong updated kayo, so don't forget to subscribe and ring your bell para ma-notified kayo palagi or ma-update kayo palagi kung ano yung mga nagaganap. Char! So, itatabi natin yan, pero meron ako nito. Yun lang yung gagamitin ko na pang-prime sa aking face. But ito yung Pores No More Luminizer Primer by Dr. Burt. Maganda to siya guys. I already moisturized my face, pero ito siya, primer siya. So, ilalagay lang natin. So, you can see, nakakilay lang ako. Wala akong kung anik-anik sa mukha ko. Para sa akin, wala naman siyang masyadong ginawa na major sa aking face. Pero, nakaka-add lang siya ng luminosity sa skin ko. Ewan ko kung na-blurred ba niya yung aking pores. Pores? Eh, may get Jean, purse. So, bago tayo mag-foundation, move muna tayo sa ating first product. As in, ito na talaga yung first product natin, guys. So, yung unang product natin is from Starlooks. So, ito daw yung Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil. Oh, ina-expect ko pa naman na ano to siya, pangkilay. Delivers a beautiful color that lasts all day. Anyway, hindi ko pa rin to siya gagamitin. And this is retail for 19. 19? Isi-save ko rin to. Isasama ko dito. So, meron na tayong dalawang products para sa ating future giveaway. So, ayan. Exciting. So, our next product in the box. Ito guys, I am really excited. Kasi, as in guys, ang ganda nito. I mean, hindi ko pa to na-try, pero I've heard a lot of good things about Tatcha. Ito yung Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. Very expensive siya, guys. Available sila sa Sephora. And I've been wanting to try their, I think it was setting spray. I'm not sure if setting spray. Something like mist, pero expensive siya, guys. So, I've been wanting to get my hands on that. Pero hindi ko siya ma-afford. So, I'm really excited na sinama nila ito sa box. So, this is retail for $24. Sabi dito, nourish skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extract. Hindi ko to siya gagamitin, obviously, kasi naglagay na tayo ng primer. Instead, hindi ko to isasali sa sa future giveaway ko. Oh my God. Instead, dadalhin ko to siya sa trip namin next month. So, ayan, isa-save natin yan. So, again, this is $24. Really expensive for a mask. So, bago ako kukuha ng ating next product, guys, I will just put something on my face. Put something on my face. So, mag-foundation lang ako. And
a few inches later.
So, our next product, guys, I'm really excited for you guys to have this. Because, surprise, surprise, I'm not going to use this. Easy save ko to siya, guys. Again, for my future giveaway. So, this is the Tarte limited edition Rainforest of the Sea. And this is the volume 3. So, ito yung itsura, guys, ng packaging. As in, very nice packaging. And sa loob, ito yung itsura niya. Ito siya more on glitters. I'm not sure kung cool tone or ewan. Hindi kasi ako marunong, guys, eh. But, ayan yung itsura niya. Meron siyang mirror. Gagamitin ko lang yung aking isa, which is ipapakita ko sa inyo, guys. So, ito yung nakuha ko last year. And ito yung nakuha ko ngayon. So, this is volume 3 and this is volume 2. Pareho lang sila, guys. Rainforest of the Sea. And then, ayan yung itsura niya. Ayan siya, o, diba? Para siyang coral reef. Ito siya, meron siyang mga dark shades. Unlike dito, ano siya, more on mga cool tone. I think this is cool tone. I'm not really sure. But, ayan. Yan, pag ikukumpara mo siya, ayan yung. Ito yung nakuha ko last year and ito yung nakuha ko ngayon. And that one retails for $36. So, I am really excited sa future giveaway ko, guys. I'm not sure yet kung kailan, but excited na ako. Meron na akong naisip na plano. So, hindi ko na siguro ipapakita, guys, yung paano ko gagawin yung aking makeup look. Pero, babalikan ko kayo mamaya after kong mag-makeup. After kong mag-eyeshadow.
One eternity later.
So, ayan na yung nagawa kong look, guys, using this one. So, yung ginawa ko lang is, ito siya na shade. Ginawa kong transition shade. And then, this one, nilagay ko siya sa outer corner. Itong dark na brown. Nilagay ko siya dito. Makikita nyo, medyo dark na shade. So, parang pinatong ko lang siya dito. Ayan siya. Nilagay ko siya dito sa gitna. And then, dito sa may inner, malapit sa may inner corner, is itong white na shimmer shade. Ayan. Sa aking brow bone is ito siya. And then, yung ginamit ko na highlight dito sa aking inner third duct is itong yung ginamit ko na Morphe na highlight ngayon. Ito siya. Again, ito yung Morphe na in the shade extra. And, hindi pa ako nakontento, guys. Kaya, pinatungan ko siya nitong Urban Decay na Midnight Cowboy. Ayan. As in, ito, guys, maganda din to as in. Ayan siya, ito. So, our next product is from Ofra. This is their long-lasting liquid lipstick in Havana Nights. Havana Nights, guys, ito yung collab ni Kathleen Lights, yung paborito kong YouTuber at ni Ofra. So, ayan yung kulay niya. Very dark red. Really excited kasi gusto ko talagang matry yung collab niya. Yung dalawa yung shades na ginawa niya, yung Havana Nights and then Miami Fever ata. This is retail for $20. Nakatanggap ako before ng Ofra lipstick and maganda yung formula, guys. I think binago nila yung packaging nila. Hindi ko mahanap yung Ofra lipstick na na-receive ko before, guys. Pero hindi ganito yung packaging niya before. So, ito yung itsura. And then, merong Ofra na nakalagay. Tapos, white lang siya. And then, I'm not sure. Para siyang plastic. Ayan yung applicator. So, ayan. Swinatch ko siya, guys. And yung consistency niya is parang moussey siya. So, ayan yung kulay. I'm really, really excited na matry ko yung collab ng paborito kong YouTuber. So, i-apply na natin to. And then, yung amoy, okay lang naman yung amoy. So, sabi dito, this matte liquid lipstick delivers long-lasting color that perfectly outlines and fills in lip. O, diba? Ang ganda niya na pagka-red. Sa camera, ano siya tingnan? Yung parang classic na red. Pero, sa personal, guys, yung parang vampy red siya. Hindi siya kagaya ng ibang liquid lipstick na masyadong mabigat sa lips. Hindi din siya masyadong drying. Our last product. So, this is the Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. So, I'm really excited na dalhin ko to siya next month sa travel namin, and perfect yung size niya, guys. This is retail for $12. Nakatanggap ako before ng, I think, Briogeo na conditioner ata yun. And sobrang ganda niya, guys. So, I'm really excited to try this. Infused with the signature blend of ultra-nourishing rose hip, argan, and coconut oil. And then, sabi dito, this spray works to detangle wet hair and protects against heat while looking in moisture, restoring luster and diminishing frizz. So, that's really nice. Lalo na pag nag-aayon ka sa buhok mo or kinukulot mo yung buhok mo, pwede siya. So, ilalagay natin to. So, ayan yung consistency niya. White lang siya na parang lotion. And smells really good. Hindi siya parang grabe-grabe yung amoy. Yung parang yung amoy niya, amoy malinis. So, yun na, guys, lahat yung ating na-receive this month. And sabi ni calculator, the total value of the box is $111. So, again, $21 lang yung box, and then yung worth ng box is $111. So, if you guys are interested in subscribing to their box, I will leave the link down below. And sabi ko nga kanina na yung ibang products ay isi-save ko para sa aking future giveaway. So, kung gusto nyong updated kayo, guys, about that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. And again, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!